We may have something, guys. We may have something here. Look, it wants to take it, guys. Let's go. That was the second time, guys. A second time. Let's see if third is the charm.
This is for the fathers around the globe. We love you more than you'll ever know. For the strength you gave me, you're truly amazing. Happy Father's Day. Place you on the highest pedestal. We love you more than you'll ever know. You chose to man up, you chose to stand up. Happy Father's Day. From my first breath to my first steps, Pops, you took me under your wing.
Hello, anglers. This is Anglers 48 coming to you from Hidalgo County, guys. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. What's in store? We've got a couple of fishing poles. We have some dead shrimp, some chicken liver, and some cut hot dogs. Flying solo on this trip. Just got off of work. The rain is coming and going, guys. This body of water that we've been fishing has receded. I've seen a couple of blow-ups already. Let's go ahead and get to work here in Hidalgo County, flying solo. All right, anglers, we may have a fish on. We may have a fish on. Guys, this was not what was taking my bait. Something bigger was taking my bait. Flying solo, no partner in crime Tony, no Captain Roy. Very humid, but we're on the board, guys. Let's go, guys. We were doing a live Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. Type in Roel Morales and yeah, become a follower. Let's go, guys. All right, anglers. We have a fish on, guys. Fish on. Let's go. Nice, guys. We got a fish, guys. We got a fish. Nice. Little on the skinny end, but we got one, guys. We got one. We got a bite. It's been a grind. It has been a grind. Again, flying solo. Good hook set. Good hook set here in Hidalgo County. We got plenty of fishing to go, guys. All right, let's go here in Hidalgo County. Hey, anglers, we got a fish, guys. We got another fish. Let's go. Guys, nice. Oh my goodness, guys. I switched off, casted it out on this side, and we got something a little bigger, guys. Something a little bigger. The line let loose on my other fishing pole. We may have another fish on, guys. Again here, grinding it, guys, in Hidalgo County. This one was on chicken liver. So let's go ahead and continue. Let's go, guys. All right, anglers. We got another bite, guys. Another bite. They're getting smaller, guys. They are getting smaller, but yes, we're catching them right here, guys, right in the brush. This brush may be loaded with fish. Unfortunately, not the biggest that we want, guys. Flying solo, no partner in crime Tony, no Captain Roy, but nonetheless, we're having fun. Let's go, guys.